Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch. Sunday, February 2nd, 2025. Two areas we need to focus some attention on. First and foremost is our jet streams. Over Russia, it looks like we might be having a sudden stratospheric warming event developing, which is characterized by a reversal of the jet streams. This will push colder air down into Russia, Siberia, Russia. We'll come back to that. Let's start off in the southern hemisphere. Here's our sudden stratospheric warming event. Next, we're going to take a look at space weather. I've been ignoring almost every single space weather event because honestly, nothing happens. However, region 3981, center disk, spouting off some M-class flares, including the M8.8. The next one coming up here. Let's go take a look. This region. So this, if it's hurled a CME, that will make contact with Earth. We'll check back in a day. I would also be keeping an eye on this filament right here. Here's our flare region. So once again, M8.8. So region 3981 started off with some C-class flares, lower level M-class. Now we're getting into the upper level M-class. Situational awareness. This region right here. So if it continues to intensify as it is more directly Earth facing, this is something that we're going to be watching out for. Getting back to our jet streams, this is somewhat concerning. So everybody likes to use this version. I like to use the instantaneous wind speed, wind power density, and anything into the reds and the pinks and the whites are accelerated wind speeds, which we're seeing more and more of. Stratospheric warming events normally happen in the Arctic over Canada. Seems to be a bit of a shift towards Russia. Before I leave you, let's just quickly go over our low pressure systems. This is currently, so obviously we'll pay attention to Iceland. They already have an increase in seismic activity passing over. Curiously, this is where the heat detection is on the continental shelf of Greenland. I'm just jumping ahead a few days. One, two, three, four, five. This is going to be tomorrow evening. Okay. Let's pay attention on Iceland. This is current. 946 hectopascal, so that's way down there. $942. This is in a couple hours from now. That is all.